Have you ever wondered where the best states for off-grid living are? Welcome, friends. Let's discover the top 5 states for off-grid living in the USA. First up, Alaska. It's remote with vast wilderness. Perfect for true off-grid enthusiasts. Next, Montana. Known for its wide-open spaces and low population density. Ideal for self-sufficient living. Third, Oregon. Offers a great balance of natural resources and favorable laws. Excellent for those who want to go off the grid but stay connected to amenities. Fourth, Idaho. Its rural areas provide ample opportunities for off-grid independence. Survivalists love it for its abundant natural resources. Finally, Vermont. Beautiful landscape and reasonable off-grid laws. Great for sustainable living and self-reliance. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. You are the real heroes. Hit the like button if you are feeling generous.